For homeowners in West Jordan, keeping energy costs low while maintaining indoor comfort is a top priority. One of the most effective ways to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills is by installing energy-efficient windows. These advanced windows help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce energy waste, and enhance overall home comfort. Here's how energy-efficient windows can help you save on utility bills in West Jordan. How energy-efficient windows reduce heat loss and gain. West Jordan experiences hot summers and cold winters, making temperature regulation a challenge. Standard windows allow heat to escape in the winter and enter during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows help by reducing heat transfer with double or triple pane glass, minimizing air leaks with insulated frames and tight seals, utilizing low emissivity coatings to reflect heat back into your home during winter and block excess heat in the summer. By maintaining a stable indoor temperature, energy-efficient windows reduce heating and cooling costs year-round. Lowering HVAC usage and extending system lifespan. When your home's insulation is weak due to inefficient windows, your heating and cooling system works overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. With energy-efficient windows, your HVAC system runs less frequently, reducing energy consumption. Wear and tear on heating and cooling units is minimized, extending their lifespan. You'll experience fewer repairs and lower maintenance costs. By reducing the strain on your HVAC system, energy-efficient windows help homeowners save money on both energy bills and long-term maintenance. Blocking harmful UV rays to protect your home. West Jordan homeowners know how intense sunlight can affect their homes. Without proper protection, UV rays penetrate through windows, causing furniture, flooring, and curtains to fade. Energy-efficient windows with low glass coatings help by blocking up to 99% of UV radiation, preventing sun damage, keeping your home's interior looking newer for longer, reducing glare, making indoor spaces more comfortable. By filtering out harmful UV rays, energy-efficient windows preserve the quality of home furnishings and reduce replacement costs. Preventing air leaks and condensation. Older windows with worn-out seals or thin glass panes allow air leaks and moisture buildup, leading to increased energy usage and potential mold growth. Energy-efficient windows provide advanced weather stripping and insulation to eliminate drafts, multi-pane glass with inert gas fills, argon or krypton, to improve insulation, condensation-resistant technology to prevent moisture-related damage. With improved air sealing and moisture control, energy-efficient windows keep your home dry and reduce heating and cooling expenses. Enhancing home comfort year-round. One of the biggest benefits of energy-efficient windows is consistent indoor comfort. With improved insulation and temperature control, homeowners experience even temperatures throughout the home, reducing hot or cold spots. Less reliance on heating and cooling appliances, making rooms more comfortable. Quieter indoor spaces, as insulated windows also reduce outside noise. By maintaining a balanced and comfortable indoor environment, homeowners enjoy a higher quality of life while spending less on energy bills. Financial incentives and rebates for energy-efficient upgrades. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows not only lowers utility bills but can also qualify homeowners for tax credits, rebates, and energy-saving programs. In West Jordan, homeowners may benefit from federal tax credits for Energy Star certified windows, local utility rebates for energy-efficient home upgrades, state incentives for eco-friendly renovations. By taking advantage of financial incentives, homeowners can offset the initial cost of window replacement while enjoying long-term savings. Increasing property value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows not only benefit your wallet but also enhance your home's value. Potential homebuyers look for sustainable, cost-saving features, and modern windows offer improved curb appeal with sleek, stylish designs. Higher resale value, making your home more attractive on the market. Long-lasting durability, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. By investing in energy-efficient windows, homeowners increase both energy savings and property value. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your home. When selecting energy-efficient windows, homeowners should look for double pane or triple pane glass for better insulation, low E coatings to improve temperature control and block UV rays, argon or krypton gas-filled windows to enhance energy efficiency, weather-resistant materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames. A professional window installer can help homeowners select the best energy-efficient options based on their home's needs and climate conditions. Final thoughts. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows for big savings. If you're a homeowner in West Jordan, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart investment that leads to lower energy bills, improved home comfort, and increased property value. With advanced insulation, UV protection, and financial incentives, installing these windows offers both immediate and long-term savings. Ready to start saving? Contact a trusted window installation professional in West Jordan today and experience the benefits of energy-efficient living.